Here's a short tutorial for all of you laptop users how to make your laptop remain turned on after you have closed the lid. So by default, it goes to sleep once you close it. So it's very easy. You just right-click the Start button to go to Settings, and you type in closing the lid. Just CLOS should be enough. So click on the second result, and over here you can choose what to do when you close the lid. The first column is for on battery and the second column is for plugged in. In my case, I can only choose for plugged in because the battery doesn't hold a charge, but you can change it, for example, to do nothing if you want it to remain on, sleep if you want it to sleep, which is the default behavior, hibernate if you want it to shut down but to remain logged on, and shut down if you want it to shut down completely. Then you need to save the changes with the button down below. Thanks for watching. Hope you found the video useful. Share with a friend and don't forget to subscribe.